eye-catching captions, so they will just scroll and see what your caption is talking about, and maybe use the right hashtag and use some transition trend. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Karina and I'm a fashion student. So today video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk about Instagram Reels. It doesn't matter what your business is about or what your passion is about. Yeah, you can make a reel for any kind of content, and I'm just going to show you that how I use reels for my content, and you can also use for yours. So let's start the video. When you make reels, if you can find some trending song, it really helps. And so the first thing will be to find a trend music, and like I found this one here, so I'm gonna share the screen here.
From this to this.
This trend and this music was so on trend for a very long time. This reels, it had like around 2000 views and like more than 100 likes. So it pushed a lot, and I got couple of followers as well, so a lot of people saw my reels. So I think it is a good way of also promoting your account. Eye-catching captions, so they will just scroll and see what your caption is talking about, and maybe use the right hashtag and use some transition trend music. And yeah, I think that should be, just experiment with that. It's nothing like fixed rules. If you just experiment with them, you will see yourself that it's not difficult, and have fun. But that's the main thing. If you don't have fun, there's no point of that. So let me know if you find this video useful or not, and if you want part 2 of this, so let me know that in the comment as well. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.